Hi everyone, this is Knowledge Topper, and in this particular video we will discuss about prospectus of a company, as well as we will also discuss some important elements of a prospectus. But before moving towards the main, if you didn't subscribe to our channel Knowledge Topper yet, please do subscribe our channel Knowledge Topper, as well as like our Facebook page, and do join our Facebook group as well, where you find a lot of good material related to these topics as well as from other courses as well. Before moving towards the main discussion, you must know that prospectus is one of the most important documents that the companies must need to prepare. Apart from prospectus, companies must also prepare memorandum of association, MOA, and article of association, AOA, at the stage of incorporation, or you can say formation of a company. Okay, so now we will first look at what is prospectus to get the basic idea. Then we will move further to discuss more about prospectus. So as written on your screen, a prospectus is a legal disclosure document that provides information about an investment offering to the public, and that is required to be filed with the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, or local regulator of a country. Okay, the prospectus contains information about the company, its management teams, recent financial performances, and other related information that investors would like to know. Okay, like in simple words, if I can explain you about prospectus, like there's no such rocket science in understanding prospectus. Let's take an example. Suppose that one of your family member, like your sister or your brother, decided to get married. So you as a family member invites your relatives to their marriage. Okay, and for that you prepare a certain invitation card in which you are supposed to write all the necessary information, like name of couples, as well as name of your family belongs to, marriage hall name, date of marriage, etc., etc., and so on. So it is basically an invitation to your family relatives to attend the marriage. Similarly, a prospectus is an invitation by a public limited company to general public, most importantly to attract potential investors, like to subscribe to its shares or debentures, by providing all the necessary information about a company. So after reading a prospectus, an investor must be clear enough and decide whether that company is suitable for the investments or not. Remember one thing, like here I use the word public limited company, like public limited company are basically used to invite general public, because only public limited companies invites general public for subscription, not private companies. Okay, always remember that. So as far as companies are concerned, they must need to prepare prospectus in a proper manner, because there are heavy penalties as well, and different consequences on knowing, like if companies do default or misstatement in the prospectus by Securities and Exchange Commissions of different countries. Now we talk about three essential elements of a prospectus. Number one is there must be an invitation to the public at large. The second one is the invitation must be made by, on, or behalf of a company. The third one is the invitation must be to subscribe to or purchase company shares and debentures. So a prospectus must include these three essential elements. Now the main question, like what to include in prospectus. So prospectus commonly includes these following information, like there must be a brief summary of the company's background and financial information, the name of the company issuing the stocks, the number of shares, types of securities being offered, name of the company's principals, name of the banks or financial companies performing the underwriting. Okay, apart from these, there are other information as well, like it depends on different companies. If they think that that basically that particular information is in best interest to provide more clear information to the investors, or is necessary as per their company's requirements, company's laws requirement in their respective countries, so they can add that as well. So this is the video for all of you guys. Hope you understand about prospectus clearly. If you like this video, thumbs up. Do subscribe to our channel Knowledge Topper, as well as like our Facebook page, and do join our Facebook group as well, where you find a lot of good material related to these topics as well as from other courses as well. So this is the video for all of you guys. Thank you so much everyone. It's time to say bye bye.